Hi friends, it's Mrs. Garibaldi and I am here for Friday's math lesson. So you will need your Envisions Volume 2 math book. Turn to page 509. All right, and you will also need either a crayon or a pencil. And I'm going to share my screen. We're going to start with our kickoff for topic 13, lesson 1. And so we're going to go into Pearson Realize. And minimize that there. Here we go.
How can you tell rectangles from other shapes? Emily has 3 shapes. Which of the shapes are rectangles?
All right, let's try it. So here we go. Is this shape a rectangle? No. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. So we know that this one is not a rectangle. So we're going to slide it over here to not a rectangle. Let's count the sides and corners of this shape. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners or vertices. So this is a rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also a rectangle. Does this have any sides? No, no sides. It is not a rectangle. Next.
What do you know about rectangles? Rectangles have 4 sides and 4 corners. Emily crosses out the first shape. How does she know this shape is not a rectangle?
How does she know that shape's not a rectangle? Because it has 1, 2, 3 sides. That's right, it has 3 sides, not 4.
Because it does not have 4 sides and 4 corners. What about the other 2 shapes?
Those do have 4 sides and 4 corners.
Emily circles the other 2 shapes. Why does she circle the 2 shapes? They are rectangles. How do you know?
Because they have 4 sides and 4 corners or vertices.
They have 4 sides and 4 corners. You helped Emily find the rectangles.
Excellent job. All right, we're going to stop sharing. And now we're going to go into our textbook. And I said to turn to page 509, but I really want you to turn to page 510. 510. So that is 510. And I'm going to share my screen with you and cross my fingers that it works. We've been having some trouble with this, but I think I figured it out, you guys. There are no problems too big. It works. Hooray. All right, friends. So let's take a look at our guided practice. All right, and this is actually what we just did with Emily. So now let's look at number 1. Number 1 is our practice question, and it says that you are going to mark an X on the shapes that do not fit the clues given. You're going to draw a circle around the shapes that all the clues describe. And then we're going to tell how the shapes that we marked with an X are different from the shapes that we drew a circle around, okay? So an X on the shapes that do not fit the clues and circles around the shapes that match the clues. Here we go. Clue number 1, I have 4 sides. I do not have 4 sides that are the same length. So I have 4 sides, but I do not have 4 sides that are the same length. What shape am I? Well, let's see. 4 sides, but they don't have the same length. So look, this one has the same size sides. So not this one, X. Not this one, X. Not this one. Now this one has 4 sides, but they're not all the same length. This one's long, this one's short. So it's this one, it's a rectangle. Perfect. Number 2, are you ready for these clues? Here we go. I do not have 4 sides. I do not have any vertices. What shape am I? Oh no. Not 4 sides. Not any vertices. Well, that's going to be super easy, I think, because anything that has a vertices gets an X. And a vertices is a corner where 2 sides meet. So, does this have some vertices? Yep, look at that. This is a vertices. So, it can't be this rectangle. This triangle has some vertices. Can't be this triangle. Do circles have vertices? No, so it is a circle because circles don't have 4 sides or any vertices. And it can't be this square because squares have vertices. We did it. Let's go ahead and turn the page to page 511. 511. All right, we're going to keep going with the same directions. So number 3, I am not round. I have less than 4 sides. What shape am I? So what's a number that's less than 4? 3, 2, and 1 are less than 4. So we need to find a shape that has either 3 sides, 2 sides, which I'm not really sure how, or 1 side, but it's not round. Okay, this is gonna be maybe a little trickier. So let's see. How many sides does this triangle have? 1, 2, 3. That has 3 sides. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, it's less than 4, so it can't be this one. And this one's round, so it can't be this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 4, so it can't be this one. So it's gotta be this triangle because the triangle has 3 sides. 3 is less than 4, so it's the triangle. Nice work. Now, number 4. Here we go. I am not a rectangle. I have 0 sides. What shape am I? This is easy, you guys. What shape doesn't have any sides? Circle. You're right. So circle is the answer. Perfect. Definitely not a rectangle. And has 0 sides. Triangles have 3 sides. So it's the circle. We did it. Number 5. I have 4 vertices. I am a special kind of rectangle because all of my sides are the same length. What am I? What rectangle has all the sides the same length? A square, you're right. So let's look at number 5. Number 5 says, they have 4 vertices, but the sides are the same length. So this has 4 vertices, but it has a long side and a short side, so not it. This has 4 vertices, but it has a long side and a short side, not it. This one has 4 vertices. These sides look like they're all the same length. This is the square. And again, this one has 4 vertices, but this is a long side and this is a short side, so can't be it. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and turn the page over And this is the page that you will be submitting for your work today. Okay, so I'm gonna read the questions and you're gonna fill in your answers and then snap a picture and upload it into edsby, okay? So number 6, here we go. All of my sides are not the same length. I have 3 vertices. What shape am I? They tried to trick us. All of my sides are not the same length. I have 3 vertices. What shape am I? So let's go. Let's count all of the vertices for each of these shapes, and then we'll see which one has 3 vertices. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, not it. Needs 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, not it. 1, 2, 3. Triangles have 3 vertices. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4. Not it. You'll notice that even though I've circled, I still go all the way to the end just to make sure there's not more than one. Okay? Gotta keep working all the way to the end. Number 7. Here's the clue. I have 4 sides. I am the same shape as a classroom door. What shape am I? So think about our classroom door. Our classroom door is pretty tall and not as wide as it is tall. So it's not a square, right? It's a rectangle. So it has 4 sides and is a rectangle. So this only has 3 sides. So it can't be a triangle. And it can't be a circle. And doors are not short and wide, right? Can't be that one either. Doors, and see if I kind of turn this, and I can put a little handle on it. That looks like our classroom door, doesn't it? I'll put a little window because our door has a window in it. That looks like our classroom door. All right, so rectangle it is. Number 8. Listen to the clues and then draw the shape that the clues describe. So you have to draw the shape. I have more than 3 sides. The number of vertices I have is less than 5. All my sides are the same length. What shape am I? So what's 1 more than 3 and 1 less than 5? What number is that? A number that is greater than 3 and less than 5. 4. Yeah, so it has 4 sides and 4 vertices, and the sides are all the same length. I know that shape. It's a square. I want you to go ahead and draw a square in number 8. All right, if you need more time, pause the video. We're going to go on to number 9. Draw a shape with 4 sides and 4 vertices that is not a square or rectangle, and then explain why it's not. This one's really hard. I'm thinking of a shape that has 4 sides and 4 vertices, but it's not a square or a rectangle. It's a diamond, or the official name for diamond is rhombus. So maybe you would like to draw a rhombus. That looks like this here. Here's my rhombus. Okay, here we go. Number 10. You're going to draw a circle around the rectangles. Then you're going to color all of the squares. All right, then I want you to tell a family member how the shapes are similar and how they are different from one another. So we're going to compare and contrast the rectangles and the squares. I can tell you some ways that they're the same. They both have 4 sides. They both have 4 vertices. But the square sides are equal and the rectangles are not. All right, my friends? So this is the page you're going to snap a picture of, upload it into edsby, and you will be done with your math today, friends. I hope you enjoyed this math lesson. Oh, I'm here in the desert. It's super hot. So I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. And I want to remind you, next week, no live lessons on Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, because I'll be up at the school packing up our classroom for the summer. All right, my friends, I hope you are well. I hope you stay safe. I love you. I miss you. I wish you well. Hug your families. All right. Give your mamas big hugs and kisses for Mother's Day this weekend. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers. All right. I love you, my friends. Have a great day. Bye.